Hi everyone and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to be talking about punching, specifically punching in terms of self-defense scenario, street scenario, from the point of view someone who hasn't trained either at all or they've got very little knowledge. Basically people who want to go these like self-defense courses you get like on a weekend, which are just courses to bring a person's ability up to scratch. For self-defense, and that's exactly what it is, defense. We're not talking about going around starting fights or whatever, because if you do that you will meet the better person. It won't take very long, okay? But people who legitimately want to be able to defend themselves and their family, you don't want to be messing around with years of martial arts training. Now this is where the thing with punching comes in. Now all different styles of martial arts have different punches, okay? So you've got karate punches, classical karate punches, okay? From here with a horizontal fist, from the hip, like this, from the side view, okay? Here, whatever it is. You've got the classical Wing Chun, which is a vertical fist punch, boom, boom. Here, 1, 2, 3. Boxing, of course, you know, jab, cross, hook, uppercut, and whatever else. All different styles of different punches. Now, thing is, Wing Chun's classic for this. 6 months minimum training and you can get good enough to be able to defend yourself. Now, really, nowadays, especially with these self-defense courses, that seems massively too long, but that's just kind of the world we live in, okay? But in the martial arts world, that's the kind of selling point, especially for Wing Chun. You can get good in 6 months because martial arts take years and years of development and training, okay? And that's the point. To make these punches work, okay, takes years and years of training. Now you get people like from boxing or MMA saying, oh yeah, but these self-defense courses, well, yeah, but my, you know, a classical, a left or right hook will take someone out, and they will. But you got to understand something. These are either professionals or people who've been doing it for a long time. You get someone step in the boxing gym, okay, they'll learn these punches, same way they're being taught. They're doing the same things. But hey, guess what, guys? A day or a week or a month ain't going to be no good, okay? You got someone hell-bent on whatever it is, you've ticked them off or something. They're just out for trouble, or you might get some nutcase come up at you, whatever it is. You know, it's usually guys, and they're probably bigger guys maybe, but whatever, and they're going to come at you. Whatever devastating punches, okay, you know, ain't going to do anything, okay. All these, what ticks me off, you'll see these, especially with Wing Chun, which I love, okay, and you'll see on my videos that I've done these things, you'll see trapping, okay, you'll see someone pack cell, and then, okay, you'll see drills like this in partners, and you'll see women doing it as well, women and men. And I'll say, right, self-defense, you want to be quick, direct, etc, etc, and they'll do a pack cell, centre line punch, okay, classic, or lop cell, centre line punch, okay. Now the centre line punch, direct, fast, efficient, and it's what I loved it. Okay, it's very simple. From the centre line, shortest distance between 2 points, that's where it goes. Very direct and efficient, yeah. Centre line punch, some guy who's coming at you, okay. Doesn't matter where it is, it's on the nose, okay, on the chin, solar plexus. It will do nothing. I bank money on it, it will do nothing, okay. So the problem I have with this is you'll get some Wing Chun guy who's trained for years and years. Yeah, that will be a good tool, and it's like, I think of it like someone wants to do racing cars, okay? They have their day-to-day car, and then on a weekend they want to take it to a track. So what they do is they buy a shell of a car, the bodywork, and then they'll source the parts, the engine, wheels, some good brakes, I don't know, a new turbo in the engine, whatever it is. Now when that car's up and going, okay, let's face it, it's going to blitz cars on the road, isn't it? Okay, you take any car on the road, it's going to blitz it. But until it gets to that point, that's you, okay? Someone who's never trained, never done anything, that's them. There's a massive gap in between that, okay? So do not expect to have all that stuff and be able to go and do it. You'll learn the techniques, you'll learn the jab and a powerful cross, okay? Hook punch, a Wing Chun punch, a karate punch. Whatever it is, that takes years and years of training. Say you'll get boxing guys go, yeah, but a left hook, that's the best tool there is. Whatever it is, okay? I'm not a boxer, I don't know, but whatever it is, a decent uppercut that'll take people out. Well, it will. For you, okay? Even for me, or someone who's never trained, I wouldn't personally try it, because it ain't gonna work. Now, things that do work, okay? Really, a couple of tools come to mind. Now, finger jab, okay, and a chop. That's it, really, hand-wise, okay? Now, finger jab in classical Wing Chun, from here to the eyes, okay? Underneath, under the blind side, straight up, still direct, efficient, straight to the point. You don't need to do that. Hands up, say, what you can do, that's it. Multiple finger jabs, okay? Doesn't even matter if it misses, touch the forehead. Doesn't matter, just keep jabbing the eye. Doesn't take a lot, doesn't take power, doesn't take years and years of training. What are you gonna do? Train this stuff, finger jab a punch bag for 5 hours a day, for months. You don't need to do it. Chop. Now karate, okay, I know has certain few chops, okay, I'm trying to remember here from memory, not so good. Okay, different chops here, but again, you don't need to do it. All you got to do, when your hands are here, and a guard by your side, whatever, that's it, chop to the neck, okay? Again, doesn't take power. You go to a boxing gym and see someone chopping the bag, punch bag or on the pads for 2 hours. You don't need to do it. Okay, so finger jab, doesn't have to be correct technique. Sometimes the Wing Chun people come underneath, over the top, doesn't matter at all. Quick flick, okay, from here, boom, yeah? From by your side, boom, yeah? Multiple finger jabs, okay? Over the top, underneath, it doesn't matter. Don't think a punch is going to work. Okay, flick to the eye, okay? Chop to the throat. Other things, knees to the groin, kick to the groin, okay? Stamp on the foot, things like that. That's what self-defense is about. You know, you can transfer direct, efficient, practical, yeah, but certain tools need a lot of work and training, okay? Certain things don't, and that's what should be taught in self-defense courses, not these very simple drills. Yeah, well, you're going to do that against some big guy in an alley, are you? I don't think so, okay? And it's really annoying because you get these people taught this, and that's giving them a peace of mind, which hopefully is enough that they'll never have to use it, okay? You shouldn't do. But if they do, forget it, okay? So you need to be taught simple things, and I mean actual simple things, okay? Simple, and be able to deliver it quickly, whatever it is. Chop, okay? Punches, great. Yeah, done by someone who's really good are much more effective. But you haven't got time, okay? For a self-defense course, a crash course, you haven't got time for that sort of thing. You want to learn quickly and fast, okay? And you want to learn things that are devastating, and yeah, that's it. So until the next video, guys, take care, and I'll see you then.